Creations. My name is Tia. Today I'm back with another little series type thing. I'm thinking it's going to work the same as the spring soiree that I did, but this one is called Work It, and it's 23 projects in 2023. It'll be a weekly video working on some projects that I randomly pull out of my little bowl cozy. So I've got my list all printed. I've chosen 23 projects, and each week I will draw a project and work on it and come back and show you the progress. So I need to draw 2 because we're already nearly into week 2 of 2023. So I'll draw 2 this week, and then next week it'll be just 1. So I've got my little bowl here with all my little, looks like popcorn, all my little numbers. So let's have a look. I can open it. Oop. Right. The first one is number 1. Can you see that? Oh, that's terrible. Anyway, it's number 1. And then the second one is let's have a look, is number 10. So we've got number 1 and number 10, and on my list number 1 is the Summer Sampler Christmas quilt, and number 10 is the embroidery quilt. So I'll just go and grab those 2 projects, and I will be back and show you where they're at, and then next week I will show you the progress and then draw another one. So just give me a minute. Okay, so number 1 is the Summer Sampler Christmas quilt. I'll have to back it up for this one. Which way does it go? I think it goes that way. So that's the quilt top. I need to add the borders and get it quilted. So that's that one. And then the other one was the embroidery quilt. So let me show you that one. It is called Sunshine Frolics, and where's the front cover? There. Oh gosh, that's blown out. So that's the one that I'm doing. I've done a couple of the blocks already, and the block that I'm working on is, where is it? This one here. It's called Happiness Is. That one there. So I'm just working on this. So all I'm doing at the moment is the embroidery. So that's that one, and this is where I'm up to. These are my little ducks in the bath. So that is that one. So what I will do is next Wednesday I will be back with some progress on both of those. So that is my idea. Let's hope we can make some significant progress. So I haven't got too much to do on the quilt. I just got to do the borders and then quilt it. So that's not going to take very long. It's just getting my A into G and doing it. So I will see you all again next week, and we will have a progress update. Have a good week, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.